Ok Teddy River, Hidden Valley, Porgera. La liste est longue de ces paysages creusés par la cupidité des industriels. Et cette liste risque de s'allonger. Porgera, sur les hauts plateaux, est à 200 km du Sepik. Elle est la première mine d'or de Papouasie. La Barrick Gold Company, une société canadienne, l'exploite en toute opacité. Là comme ailleurs, il est interdit de filmer, d'approcher, de prendre des prises de vue aériennes. Nous avons travaillé clandestinement pour témoigner du sort des tribus auxquelles appartiennent ces terres ancestrales, creusées sans leur consentement, avec la complicité de l'ancien gouvernement. Mais en 2012, un nouvel élu a pris les commandes du pays, ouvrant d'autres espoirs pour l'avenir. Jethro Tullin, que Bennett nous a recommandé, est un indigné. Il accepte d'être notre guide. Son combat est international pour défendre les papous spoliés. Il le porte aux Nations Unies, au Canada, où il dénonce les agissements de la Barrick Gold Company envers les habitants de Porgera.
Gold was first time long white man come. Old man clear on one and Goli. Lo Mibla, Lime no time to Tumbuna Mibla no had clear on one value or meaning long gold in being got system long decoration long some sea cell number. And in got value this time. That's all time white man come. Now all explorers come long around around the 1950s and 60s. Time Mibla looking was a more collect all this like all this stablo damlo what a program nothing na collect him come and that was more worry. Over the years long also coming up now over 50 years old man very well long really my idea case him thinking was some gold got some like meaning now all white man he got interest long and then all of a sudden the valuable money been come up. People only coming up on Mount Warbari.
À l'approche du cratère, Jethro a aussi convié Ruben Nalebe, le maire de Porgera, pour témoigner.
Paradise, what if someday we're going to have a stop now? Maybe let's have a drink fresh water. Now, maybe let's have a stop. Boost problem and good. Now, you must have a call him a popular name on this mountain. I must have a stop now. Coca Dom now. Open pit happy, I'm a good mountain now. Let's say don't make up now, they work in my exploration on this mountain.
Only lot of people sit down inside the SML. Now only no rain plan down, only how many drinking government and government drinking more people so. 2 global or 3 people not and by legally mind also. By like is Maria now. And after 20 years, all got ground belong SML now legally up ground left no Baba ground. Inside the SML and we finished now. Population is about 10,000 plus. Stop in Jalo SML. Or 7 clan usually own him this like ground, SML ground. So now you be facing situation where ground no what, plus blue find him abuse or working garden and no what, or something and no what no. 22 years now, no agreement with you. What we are trying best to working long, moving over people stop in Jalo SML.
On a besoin de put him yourself, put him blousem, il Romania. I threw me black on Romania now. What can I do?
I'm me blah, kissing big blah bagrap. Me blame no block out long like me blame no block tari, me blame no block again now, simple and maybe more, me bless a petty go come now. I'm all a bit of you me. You blame no go to school to her. Ibre nongolo school tuna. Long 1989. 1989 I think all happened probably me. Almost signing agreement. All you sabelo mine tuna.
Mibla si Campanillo. Recently Mibla. Moving Mibla out long. Bam Kilona. Recently Mibla or not la place. So Mibla can settle good now. All beginning and school good. All can kai good working garden. Nasal company do. You know, like Arab total Mibla cry fight when the company here is stop. So now Mibla illegal. Or the call Mibla illegal my name.
Au risque d'être emprisonnés pour quelques miettes d'or, les Papous n'ont effectivement que l'illégalité pour survivre sur leurs propres terres qui leur sont interdites.
Seven major clans divided along 23 sub-clans represented by 23 LNC land negotiating committee agents. Kissing according to percentage belong land amas hectare oligat inside the SML na ino bigla money one was legally mangi or legally picking Mary was an age 20 na come down was him. Plenty time checked by you looking more kissing also 100 less than 200 kina. Okay, we will stop inside of Wingima. Wingima one of the village inside of SML na online power through power ground long. Program mine open pit. Now in 2009, even you got 300 floor house plus even stable here. So only cooking this la ogara house. Program London Association even carrying this la San Diego court na is Amnesty International London-based human rights group. Even working on big la report lo this la because police one time company abusing power. You are illegally occupying the land or you are making more same more. You are illegally coming into the pit or this kind of excuse will give him and delay time now. Every time people are raising issue, only cover him up, using more politician will cover him up now. Every time they buy time, so the operation of mine is 24 hours long. Production is 24 hours. Well, only we have new lease of life is through the new MP who said Papa Grand Straight Road is la Bungima. Where by Sabori people are raising at various levels of forum around the world, kind of UN, kind of same long Barrick AGM too. We are still pushing through. There will be some way along the line, everything will come out. Somebody has to tell the truth.
2500 personnes travaillent sous la protection d'une police privée de 400 membres prêts à tout. 3 à 4% de Papous n'occupent sur le chantier que des petits métiers d'intendance. Les ouvriers viennent des Philippines, d'Indonésie, de Chine. Après l'achat du mercure, Jethro cherche des orpailleurs illégaux qui accepteraient d'être filmés clandestinement. La méfiance règne. Notre présence surexcite toute la communauté. Un couple accepte de nous montrer le processus pour voir apparaître le précieux métal. L'opération est toxique et dangereuse pour tous ces gens condamnés à la misère par la mine.
Dust wanda mimi sageye, double mi sagoxim, oil, broken bone. That is the one now.
Ici, beaucoup de personnes sont mortes à la suite du contact avec le mercure. Des femmes ont donné naissance à des enfants estropiés. Mais ils n'ont pas d'autre choix pour vivre.
I'm two blow and them so walking. Two blow and them so walking. Man so walking, Mary so walking. So ground blow me and deep blow me. That's all. Walking banish na mi blow come up with a big dog. Man so walking myself. Bari came so walking myself. That's all. You blow look you blow come here look. You blow look no on blow holy. Grow layer and big blood bush you miss a sleep that's all you miss a leap blood this
King grad mai ba. Ko na ra ka mo bio ke ben sana ba.
Yogani MM 1 gram point 2 yeah, but me line up oxygen 63 kinan time 2 I mean good but time 2 na. You talk one no wato but me like money. Time no go 2 yeah, no goal 2 na. Me ta 2 o'clock sim gole lili gole but me like 60 kinan but me la bam kai now.
En 20 ans, la Barrick Company a produit plus de 20 milliards de dollars. Chaque jour, des kilos d'or pur en lingots quittent Porgera par hélicoptère. Et ces industriels avaient promis par contrat une vie meilleure aux Papous.